Hey guys, here in my garage. Today we're gonna be doing Andrew's brake pads. And I kind of want to show off how to do the brake pads properly, at least. But it's so easy that we're gonna have Kari do it. So this is the garage, just so you guys can see what it looks like. We finally finished up all the lighting in here, so we'll have like really nice lighting for the new videos. But this is the new garage, or pretty much the new Tony's garage. We got all the detailing stuff over there, all my tools and Lem's tools over there. But all the videos will probably be filmed in here for all the installs and everything, because we got all this lighting and pretty much all the tools we really need to take apart this whole car. Alright, so all the wheels are off now. So the first step when actually doing these brakes is, I've made this mistake before on my friend's car, and he actually got a bunch of lights because we didn't do this. So before you even service the rear brakes, if you don't have the scan tool, I highly suggest putting the car in accessory mode and taking the e-brake off, because you will get a light if you try making that piston go in without doing that.
Bro, you're on springs? What the fuck? That's wild.
Hey, who the fuck forgot to put that clip? Look at it. Not my car.
Oh my god, Andrew. Not my car. Not my problem.
Alright, so brake install should take probably maybe like 15-20 minutes.
Nice.
So, so the first things first is these, on the tight part, the pins are super easy to take out. You literally just hit these two pins out and take this thing out, and your fucking brake pads are out.
Oh shit.
You don't need like any, you literally just need this
Okay.
to take your front brake pads out.
It's okay, it's fine.
Well, this and a punch, but literally put it on that so you don't fucking scratch the caliper. Bonk, bonk, bonk.
Yeah, you don't want to scratch it.
There. But you hit it until it's like pretty much flush with that. And then you grab this, put it on there, and then yeet. But technically you want to keep doing them evenly because it won't go out if you don't. Oop. So now, oh, fucking bitch. Just like that. The pads will pretty much come out now, but you gotta pull on it so the pistons go back a little bit. There is proper tools for this, but I don't have that because this is fucking Tony's garage.
Oh yeah, get a flathead.
Then push the pads in even more, or the pistons even more by pulling it. Pads out. Gotta make sure the indicator one, the one where the indicator goes on the outside so you can actually see how much they're worn. But you gotta compress the pistons before you put them in.
Yeah.
And you literally just push them in. There's a proper tool, but don't have those.
I'll buy one.
But yeah.
Or actually have them.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, you can touch it. But yeah, now they're all the way in.
Take that out of context.
Yeah. Oh shit. And then make sure you don't get any grease on the pads.
Turn around, Anthony.
What?
Turn around.
Turn around. What the fuck? Look.
Oh, cool.
Just get a little lube so it doesn't. Ooh, shit, that's a lot of lube. Fuck it. Oh my god.
Cut to meet down the street.
Yeah, this is easy how to do pads. Oh, fucking crashed. But yeah, you literally just, after that, you just fucking glue that bitch back in. That's it.
So it's like a cassette tape.
Yep. Yeah, and then same thing with the other side. It's easier to see on the other side. You literally just push it back in.
Oh, okay.
That.
Curve.
Oh, shit.
My bad. Curve.
And then you grab the one that's not the indicator one, which is this one.
So the indicator's the little silver part.
Yeah.
So the silver part on the bottom.
Remember,
The
look,
silver
you
part.
see the brake pad in the back of it?
Yes.
You don't want to put this on the front of it,
Oh.
because then you will not stop.
Oh.
I mean,
But I mean, that's how much you actually care about Angie's life, so.
yeah.
And then you just put it on the back. It should just slide right back in.
Okay.
But then you put the pins into the back again.
Okay.
Grab this shit. It goes in like this. If you look at that, it goes like that.
Okay.
Make it go through there, through that hole, and then through this one.
Mhm.
And then this is the one that's a little
You
weird.
gotta flex it down.
Yeah, you gotta flex it down. Motherfucker, why are you not going in now? Okay, there. Fuck. Oh my god. There we go. And then you gotta make it go into the other one.
My carpal tunnel could never.
Oh, you're telling me this shit fucking hurts. Okay. So, It's almost in. I literally just fucking, since it's pointed, it pretty much will like slide its way in. And as you can see, it's coming back through there. And you're all the way through when you see the cone is past it, and you see how it's like flat again.
Yeah.
That's how you know it's all the way in.
Okay.
Very good.
What do you do first?
You're gonna take the pointy shits out.
Yes.
But you're gonna use that shit because the hammer, and you don't want to scuff the caliper.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
So first thing you want to do is assess the situation. So that's a lot of shrubbery, decaliberize, and maybe make this less springy than usual. But the main goal for today is going to be changing this padding and the cones.
Solid.
Okay. Okay. Hi, Kari. Here you go. Do you remember how to do it?
Don't scratch
You
my
go
shit.
like this, right?
Yes.
Don't
And then just hit
scratch
that.
Careful.
Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob.
SpongeBob, careful.
Literally.
SpongeBob. Good. Sick.
Ay, ay, ay.
Nice.
Sick.
Okay.
Okay.
Now.
Then you do something with this shit.
Nope.
No.
This one.
This one.
That one. That one. Yes. And then you put it on it.
Oh, this is. Oh, this is.
And
Like,
slowly tap it.
What?
I'm gonna do it evenly, so do the bottom one now too.
Are we gonna clean these? Cause they're a little.
It's not my car, so I don't really give a fuck.
Right. You know.
So this retainer right here, it holds it in. So if you push down on it, try pulling out. So push that and then.
I've never had to pull out before.
Oh, okay.
Okay. You see what's happening? Okay, so another thing you can do is you can pull this. You can actually like, physically pull it, like.
You saw me
And
stroking
then-
it like a mad minute.
But yeah, it moves, so you're able to move it out. That should just pull out now. Yeah, there.
Okay.
And then now you have to make. Oopsie. Now you have to make the circle things go back to get this thing out. So you're gonna. I didn't really get to see this happen, but you literally put it against the rotor right there,
Yeah.
and then just pull. Oh.
Yeah. Keep going. Keep going.
Yeah, you're good. Oh,
Oh.
it's out. If it's not coming out, pull it towards you, like this. So
Oh,
push the
okay,
piston
yeah.
back in, and then it's out.
Oh yeah.
And you
Yeah,
want to
you're
put this side down.
Yeah.
You never want this to hit the ground because grease and shit.
Sick.
Now,
The new ones.
now what do you do?
The new ones.
No.
You gotta lube up your shit. Oh, you gotta push these guys
Yeah,
in.
you gotta push those in. Make sure you put them on. You don't put them on the rubber part. You put them on the actual cylinder part, so you don't crack the seal. So.
Lube. This
yep.
one goes in the front.
Mhm.
Where do you put the lube at?
Here.
Okay. Just want to make sure.
You go. Shit. Okay, you do the top one. Hit the top one, so you don't want to hit this. So. There you go. Keep going. It's moving. Close as I can to it, and then go like that. See?
There you go.
Like that. So you don't have to scratch it. Because remember, I scratched mine. So take that out first. And then now we gotta remove the sensor. If you don't remove this, you'll fuck your shit up. So there's two bolts on the back of this actuator right here. And just probably stress. What's up, dog? You trying to kiss? So there's two bolts that you're gonna use. This one, I don't know the sizes, so you guys are gonna have to figure that out. But you just put it in that hole. Yoink. And you just take that shit off. There's two of them. There's one here and then one in the very back.
Okay.
Yeah. This is the electronic e-brake.
Can't even see it.
Damn, I can land those all the angles, bro.
You really can't see. Yeah, you can't see. It's too dark.
Yeah, it's fine.
But yeah.
Oh yeah, you take them off. You just gotta feel for it where it's at. Maybe in there.
Oh yeah, I really want to learn.
Oh yeah, you want to torque me to spec?
It choked my saliva.
So two bolts that you have to take on the back of the actuator,
When do you need oil?
and then you gotta. It might be a little hard to. What the fuck?
Oh,
That's
yeah.
low cover. You gotta take these caps off on the back of these bolts too, just to get these off to take the pads off. But you gotta take the actuator off first, so just fucking like wiggle it off.
Actuator.
This is the socket you need to pretty much tighten the electronic e-brake so you don't get a light to reset it. So you just pretty much tighten it until you need to know what tight feels like. Oh shit.
Yo,
oh shit. But yeah, you literally just keep. Oh fuck. Okay, now look, it's pretty much hard. You don't need to you don't really need to press a lot. Literally just make sure it's tight, hold it here, and as soon as it gets tight, that's good. The next thing you gotta do, grab this size. I don't know what size this is. What size is this? Whatever that is. Yeah, it just fits. And then you gotta break these two loose.
It's actually a hex key.
Ow.
Yeah.
So we might do this story because look, this kind of. You do need a specialty tool, unless you have a scan tool that can actually just set it back, so you don't need to do this. But you literally put this on here.
This is kind of difficult, but
And you gotta line up the pins and just tighten the shit out of it until it goes all the way flat. It's super fun to do this.
no switch. I'll make it work. Mama didn't read no fuck bitch.
Okay, bitch. But yeah, you want this pretty much as flush as you can, because if you have to force it in, you will get a light, because the e-brake won't be able to engage. Oh shit. But it needs to slide right on. If you have to hit it on, it's not in all the way.
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. Okay. The spring's just holding it down now. Okay, that's it. That's literally doing the rear brakes, pretty much. But now you just gotta put everything back on.
Okay.
There you go. Nice.
Alright. Then there's two things. I know there's two things here.
The caps, yep.
And then there's an actuator in the back.
Yeah.
So the caps, how do
You
you
just pop them off. They just stop these out.
Do you have the brush to me?
See? That easy. That's it.
That's it?
That's front and rear brakes.
That's cool. Anybody else need their brake pads?
Brake check.
Hey, brake check.
Alright, so once you pretty much do the rear pads, or pretty much all the pads, you want to put the car in accessory mode and cycle the e-brake maybe 3-4 times to make sure you don't get any lights or anything. But, alright, put it in accessory. One more. And then now just keep cycling the e-brake up and down. So up. Okay, down.
This one? Huh?
Yep.
Yep.
Make sure it's all the way in. There you go. There you go.
What the fuck? Why is he like that?
No idea. Looks like an old man.
Dude, it's like those girls that are kind of like, oh, don't mind me. He's looking back at it. And like, oh, I don't see you. All right. Good job. Oh, oh, fuck. It is. All right, what's next?
So what we have here is we have a Champ White FK8. They came in, they said that there was some squeaking happening. My suggestion is it's probably because it's stock. We don't have any sort of mods on there. That kind of tends to happen. It's currently at 30,000 miles, so I'm going to check and see if the brake pads need to be changed, but it could be anybody's guess at this point. So let's get into it.
All right, so try and stop. No kidding. All right, so you're gonna go 30 and just apply the brake pedal a little bit, and then pretty much you're gonna do 3-4 times doing that.
Heard that seatbelt click.
But don't stop too much. Just step on it hard, here, and then stop us at 43. You can press it a little bit harder than that. Next one. Ooh, very nice. All right, that's good. One more. Sounds fucking good. Sick. Alright, now we literally just let it cool down for 15 minutes and that's it. We're still alive. The brake pads actually worked. They did their job. Kari did a good job on the install. And the wheels didn't fall off. So that was pretty much how to do... So that's pretty much how to do brake pads on a Honda Civic Type R. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and it would help a lot if you guys left a like, subscribe, or a comment. But I'll see you guys on the next one.